Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys a quick, easy way on how to contour your face. This is how I contour my face every day. So if you guys wanted to watch that, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so I already have my foundation on and I've already highlighted with the cream concealer. If you guys wanted to watch what I do or how I do a quick highlight, then go ahead and click on the eye up here. So next we're gonna do just a quick contour. It changes the look of your makeup like dramatically. Like you can look snatched as hell when you contour. So when you're contouring your face, you can either use a cream or a powder. And you want to make sure that you use a foundation or a color that is 1 to 2 shades darker than your regular foundation shade. It could be a cream foundation that you have that is just too dark, you can use that as a contour. A powder that's just too dark, you can use that as a contour. Eyeshadows as contour. Just remember that makeup, you can use makeup however you want. There's no set way that you can use makeup. If it works for you in a certain way, then use that shit that way. You can use it whatever way you want. For my contour today, I'm going to be using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish. And the brush that I'm going to be applying it with, because this is just quick and easy, is the e.l.f.'s contour brush. And this bitch is $3, so that makes it even better. You want to make sure that you go around the edge of your hairline. You want to go on under your cheekbone, so do the fishy face. You can see where those areas are that you want to keep contour. Then you can also go under your lip and then on your jawline if you feel like you want to carve your jawline out. Basically, you can contour your damn face into somebody else's face. You know what? Do it. If you want to do it, you can do what you want. So I always start with around my forehead. And I'm just dabbing it on. I'm not swiping. I have foundation and makeup on already. I don't want to wipe that off. So just dabbing that on around my hairline and sort of a little bit onto my ear. And then you can see already the difference in regards to this side and this big old blank side here. So I'm going to go ahead and get a little more product on and do the other side. And I'm not bringing it down too far. This side you can see went down a little too far. So I'll just go back with a plain brush and just wipe that away a little bit because I don't want to have a helmet up there. So I'm going to take just a clean fluffy brush and just sort of soften those lines and blend that out a little bit. Okay, so next with that brush, I'm going to take this longer end here and start at my ear and drag that down into the spot, the hollow of my cheek there. And again, I'm just sort of dabbing. I'm not really wiping, just dabbing. And you can see already the difference in regards to that side and that side. Now, you don't want to bring it down too far. I usually just sort of stop right where my eyebrow arches. So you can see where the natural arch of your eyebrow is. That's where I stop dragging that color down. Again, with the clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit. Clean this up a little bit because it got dragged down a little too much there. And so yeah, you can see that contour there compared to that side. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side real quick so you guys can just watch what I do. Okay, again with the clean fluffy brush. Just wiping that up a little bit. I'm also diffusing the edge a little bit so it's not so rough. And I usually go a step further and I will go ahead and contour under my lip. And I'll go ahead and do my jawline as well, because who doesn't want to be a skinny bitch? I do. Just on the edge of your jawline. Under your chin, and on the edge of your jawline again. Okay, and then I go back again with the clean fluffy brush and just sort of diffuse all that out. So yeah, you would just put it around your forehead, just under your cheekbones. You can do under your lip, and then you can do your jawline as well if you want. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time.